Hi, welcome to Summer Adventures RV. Behind me is a 2017 Flagstaff. It's got an electric awning, underbelly storage, and it comes with a barbecue. It's solar power ready and weighs about 7,300 pounds unloaded. Inside has a 3-burner stove, sink, corner island, fridge on the other side, couch that folds out into a bed, and then a table on the other side that folds out into a bed. Has a flat screen, sound system, and then fireplace. Has opposing slides. Has a fan. And then in the bathroom, it has a curved glass shower. And then a queen-size bed and plenty of storage.